Chapter 3, Indices and Surds, chapter review. So question 1, there's our picture. Draw a picture first. And it says, a small rectangular jewellery box has a base with dimensions 3 root 15 centimetres by 12 plus root 3 centimetres. And it has a height of 2 root 5 plus 4 centimetres. So we draw a picture first. It says, determine the exact area of the base of the box in expanded and simplified form. Then part B says, determine the volume, the exact volume of the box. And then the third one says, Julie's got an earring box and it occupies an area of 9 root 5 centimetres squared. What is the exact number that would fit across the base of the jewellery box? Give your answer with a rational denominator. Alright, so that's our first question we're going to do. Alright guys, so now we're going to work out the first bit. We need to work out the area of the base. So I've drawn my diagram, nice big diagram, so it makes a bit more sense. So here's our base. So the area of a rectangle is length times width. So the area of the base is 3 root 15, and we're going to times that by 12 plus root 3. Since I'm going to multiply it, I'll put brackets around that. So we're going to multiply those two units together, and if you remember expanding brackets, multiply that by the first term, and that by the second term inside the brackets. So, let's do that. So we've got 3 times 12 is 36, and it's root 15. That's the first bit expanded. Plus, 15 times 3 is 45. So we've got 3 root 45. If you left it like that, you've lost a mark for not simplifying. You have to say to yourself, how do we simplify root 45? So let's do that next line. So we've got 36 root 15 plus 3. 45 is 9 times 5. 9 is the square number, so that's why we can simplify that surd. So we've got 36 root 15 plus root 9 is equal to 3. We've got a 3 out the front, so 3 times 3 is 9. So we've got 9 and it's root 5. And there's our answer, everyone. So we've got the area is 36 root 15 plus 9 root 5. And if you want to say centimetres square, leave a gap just so it doesn't look like an arrow like next to it. And that's our answer for that one. Alright, so the next question says find the volume of the box. So the volume is length times width times height. But since we've already worked out the base area, why not just multiply the base area by the height? That should work to save us a little bit of time. So the volume is equal to the base area, which is 36 root 15 plus 9 root 5. That multiplied by, so I'll put that in brackets, and it's multiplied by 2 root 5 plus 4 is the height. So hopefully you understand. You could have just multiplied that, but we've already multiplied the base area. So we multiply length times width, and that's our answer there in simplified form. So we just multiply it by the height to save a bit of time. So now, if you remember expanding brackets, we have to do this. Okay, so the first one, 36 root 15 times 2 root 5. 36 times 2 is 72. Root 15 times 5 is root 75. And I'm going to simplify that in a few minutes. Next one, 36 root 15 times 4. So we've got 72, 144, root 15. Mental maths, kids. 4 times 36. Hopefully I'm right. Next one, 9 root 5 times 2 root 5. So 9 times 2 is 18. And remember, root 5 times root 5 is 5. So we've got here 18 times 5. And if you work that out in your head, 50, 5 8 40, so that's 90. I'll just write the answer there, because I know how to work that out. And the next one, 4 9s are 36. So we've got 36 root 5. So there's my answer. I've expanded it. However, I can see that I can simplify the root 75. So, to simplify that, that would be 25 times 3. And then all the rest is the same. We just need to write it out again. Okay, root 25 is 5. 5 lots of 72. 5 7s are 35, 350, 360, I believe. 360 root 3. plus 90 plus 36 root 5. And that's our volume, and if you want to put units, centimetres cubed at the end, that's a good idea. So I'll write that just down here at the end, centimetres cubed, because they're the units of the volume of the box. And there are no like terms, root 3, root 15, root 5, and a basic numeral. So we're just going to leave it like that. That's our answer. And let's do the last one. It says an earring box has a base area of 9 root 5. How many will fit on the base? So remember, this is our base area here. So, if we want to find out how many of these fit on that, we're going to divide. So we get that answer, that area, divided by the area of this earring box. So, the number is 36 root 15 plus 9 root 5. And we're going to divide that by 9 root 5. So how are we going to do that, everyone? Maybe we should, that is the answer, but we have to, it said, give your answer in rationalise the denominator. So what do we have to do? We have to multiply top and bottom by root 5. Over root 5. Okay. Put brackets around the top line, because you're going to multiply the root 5 by both parts. So let's do the bottom line first, because that's easier. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. 9 5s are 45. So I've just got 45 as a number. Now multiply the top line. Root 15 times root 5 is root 75. So I've got 36 root 75 plus 5, that's 5. 9 5s are 45. And there's our answer, except we can simplify, we can rationalise that. Sorry, we can simplify the root 75. So it's 36. 75 is the same as 25 times 3. And just write the rest out, all the same. That becomes 5. 5 lots of 36. 150, 5 6 to the 30, that's 180. Root 3 plus 45 all over 45. We're getting there. So now the thing is we can simplify again. There's a common factor of 5. 5 goes into 45 9 times. Goes into this 45 9 times. But we must also simplify from that term, because there's two terms on the top line. So 5 goes into this one 36 times. Because 10 goes into that 18 times, so it must be double that. So our answer is 36 root 3 plus 9 over 9. And what do you notice? 9 is a factor of 36, so we can keep on simplifying. 1, 1, and 4. So my answer is 4 root 3 plus 1 all over 1, but you don't need to say that. So the answer is 4 root 3 plus 1. Alright guys, now let's just do a couple of harder questions from the multiple choice. So multiple choice 7 from the chapter review. So, if we look at this question up here, first thing we need to do is expand the brackets at the top. So everything's squared. So we have to square the 6. So 6 squared is 36, normal number squared. Then, if you remember the multiplication rule, this becomes x squared, and this y term becomes y to the power of 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Hopefully you remember those rules. Next thing we're going to do is neaten up this bottom line. By the way, hopefully you realise y to the power of 0 is 1. So that's just going to disappear. So I'm going to ignore that from now on. So let's do the numbers. We've got a 3 times 4 is 12. And we're going to neaten this up. X cubed times x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 7. And we've got a y squared, and that's just 1. So it doesn't matter, so it's just y squared. Y to the power of 0 is 1. So that just disappears. So now we've neatened that up a little bit. We look at the numbers first. 36 divided by 12, we'll cancel those and make it 3 over 1. And the x's we can cancel, I'll do it in another colour. The x squared cancels with 2 of the x's there and leaves x to the power of 5. And the y to the power of 2 cancels with the y to the power of 6 and leaves y to the power of 4. So, now we write down what we've got left. We've got a 3 on the top line and a y to the power of 4. And on the bottom line, we've just got x to the power of 5. And there's our answer. As easy as that. Let's do our next one. Multiple choice number 8. So here you notice we've got a number out the front, we'll cancel that in a second, and we've got negative indices. So the question says simplify and write your answer with positive powers. So the first thing, let's cancel this. 4 goes into 8 twice, 4 goes into 12 3 times. Alright, now the rest of it, we're going to start writing with positive powers. So, let's write our 2 and our 3. So we've got an a cubed on the bottom, we're going to leave that there. To make a to the minus 1, a to the power of minus 1 positive, we'll bring it down to the bottom. And we'll bring the b squared down to the bottom, it makes a positive power as well. B to the minus 5, bring it to the top, and it becomes b to the power of positive 5. Now we just have to simplify along there, so we've got top line, we've got 2b to the power of 5 over 3 a to the power of 4 b squared, and last step, cancel the b squared with the b to the power of 5, and we have finished. So on the top line we've got 2b cubed, and on the bottom line we've got 3a to the power of 4. And that's it, guys, and then you've got your test coming up, so make sure you study, do your practice test and the rest of the chapter review. Good job.